In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get high FPS here in Fortnite Chapter 7. This is super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But this is going to work on PC, PS5, and Xbox. So no matter which platform you're on, even Nintendo Switch, this is going to help you out. But what you're going to want to do is first go ahead and open up your settings. And after getting into your settings menu, go ahead and start on the video tab. If you're on console, just make sure your FPS setting is at 120 FPS. But remember, this only does appear if your display and HDMI cable do support 120 Hz. If they don't, you'll be locked at 60. And I'll be honest, 120 FPS versus 60 FPS is a night and day difference. Upgrade if you can. If you're on PC though, always match your FPS to whatever your monitor limit is. Mine's at 240, so I'm going to keep my frame rate limit at 120 as well. For rendering mode right here, DirectX 12 is a really solid option and it does perform great, but if you want max FPS, go ahead and switch it to performance mode. If you are in performance mode, the settings are going to be reduced to only a few items. Go ahead and adjust your view distance to as high as possible, and then your textures, go ahead and put those on low or medium. But for DirectX 12 players, what you're going to want to do is set your brightness to 150%, which is better for visibility, especially on console. Motion blur, turn that off. Colorblind mode, go ahead and avoid using it just because it slightly does reduce FPS. For anti-aliasing, go ahead and put it on TSR Epic, but lowering it does give you more FPS. For dynamic 3D resolution, put that off. Nanite virtualized geometry, turn that off. Global illumination, turn that off. Reflections and refractions, turn it off for the max FPS. Shadows, put that on off. That's going to be a huge FPS hog. For view distance, put it on far. Textures, medium. Effects on low. Post-processing, put it on low. Hardware ray tracing, go ahead and put that on off. And for show FPS, turn that on. For some reason, latency markers do reduce FPS, so turn that off as well. But for NVIDIA low latency, set that to on. Do not use on plus boost because that can actually cost FPS in some situations. Now head over to the audio tab up at the very top, and you're going to want to put your sound quality on low and 3D headphones on off as well. Yes, audio quality does drop the game slightly. Yes, your audio quality does drop slightly, but your FPS is going to go up, which is going to reduce that input delay. From here, move on to your game tab and turn off all replays, which is going to be down at the very bottom, as well as turn off all energy saving options and disable sleep mode entirely. All these are at the bottom. Finally, go all the way over to the account and privacy tab and turn off player surveys and turn off public game stats. Strangely enough, disabling these does help increase FPS. And if you stick to these settings or even lower them even more than I suggested, you will absolutely see a boost in your performance and FPS. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.